So hey guys, Jason Young here with the Miranda Real Estate Group. I am here with Andrea from Homestead Funding. She is an awesome mortgage broker. And the topic du jour today is the Fed rates. I'm sure many of you have heard the Fed again today, as of July 28th, the time of this recording. The Fed did decide to increase rates by 75 basis points. So I want to get Andrea on, who's an expert, to talk through really what that means. And practically speaking, if you're a buyer or a seller, what does that really mean for you? So thanks again for being with us, Andrea.
Thank you, Jason. Of course.
This Fed plan and the rate increases that we've experienced, that you guys from a banking perspective, you kind of like, it's been kind of baked almost into those increases. So even though this is news that the Fed increased the rates again, it's kind of been part of the forecast. Is that accurate, or is that?
Correct, because we want the inflation to slow down. When the if the inflation doesn't slow down, the interest rates are just going to keep going up. So we don't want that. We definitely want the slowdown of the market, so we can go back to maybe pre-pandemic and not have this crazy market where the houses are selling so quickly within an hour with multiple offers.
Oh yeah.
So this is a good, I think we're in a good position right now with even what the market is doing.
So basically, the buyer takeaway is, hey, I'm sure you've heard that the Fed decided to increase rates again. What this means for you isn't really anything, because if you're looking to purchase a home, interest rates are expected to stay at or around the levels they're at, potentially even dip a little bit as inflation hopefully gets reined in. Is that would
Correct.
encapsulate it?
Correct. I know you and I talked about this a little bit. You could always refinance. You always don't have the choice of that specific awesome home that you want to buy at this
Yeah,
time.
and I mean, I can speak from a sales price perspective. Prices have continued to rise. On average, sellers are getting 5% over asking price. So having some balance, hopefully with the economy cooling a little bit, bringing some balance to the market is something that's needed, because there's just not enough properties out there. Buyers are getting hammered. So if anything, they're getting burnt out by just how competitive it is versus rates increasing. In terms of interest rates and the fact that they do fluctuate, what packages or offerings does Homestead and yourself offer to help buyers lock in the best rate possible?
Absolutely. Thanks, Jason. We have what we call lock and shop. Means you have to be pre-approved. So you have submitted an application through underwriting and you are pre-approved. You have to go under contract under 30 days once you're pre-approved and you do the lock and shop. You have to go under contract for within 30 days and you're locked in for 70 days. And then we have also a closing guarantee, which is between Homestead and the borrower, that indicates that we will close the loan under an expected date within the contract. And the seller will receive up to $5,000 from us if we don't close within that period.
Oh, wow.
We Yeah, it's really, it's an awesome program that just got rolled out about a month ago, and we're really excited about it and trying to again put the clients, um, make them stand out when they're putting in an offer on a home.
And I guess, with that, you guys have offerings, you guys have things that you offer clients from a financing perspective. I'm just, for myself personally, if you're a buyer out there, we do have a 6-step home seller plan. And again, financing is a portion of that plan. It's actually step 2, because getting your finances in order, getting your pre-approval in place so that you're actually in a position as a buyer to make a strong offer is absolutely critical. Last thing you want to be is a buyer out there that's shopping. You love a house, you go to write an offer, and you don't have an actual letter. I know, Andrea, you're quick at turning things around. I will literally call you or text you on like a Sunday, and you'll have it back to me. So I appreciate your diligence and devotion
Of
to what
course.
you do. Hopefully, your family's not too mad at you or mad at me when that happens. But
I'm
yeah, I
able
think,
to sneak in.
yeah, yeah. But the takeaway is, from a mortgage side, Homestead's a great option. Andrea is fantastic. And from a real estate agent side, we have a plan and a process for you here at Miranda Real Estate Group too. So if you need something, please reach out, and looking forward to connecting soon.
All right. Thanks, Jason.